So Bitcoin right now, guys, is not looking too good. We all know this, okay? Same with the whole crypto market, okay? It's not looking too good at all, okay? We know that last November, Bitcoin reached a new all-time high, okay? And then ever since then, guys, last November in 2021, we've been going down ever since then, okay? And we are, in fact, in the bear market as of right now. And a lot of people are, in fact, wondering, right, especially for the people out there that obviously do hold, the Bitcoins, have diamond hands, are hodlers, you know what I mean? Right? For the Bitcoin holders out there, right? A lot of them are wondering, should I still be holding my Bitcoin right now? Okay. And I'm going to get straight to the point. The obvious answer, and you guys already know my answer. You guys know me. I always buy and hold. I'm always thinking long term with my investments into cryptocurrency, especially right with a crypto coin like Bitcoin and Ethereum. So obviously my answer is going to be a big fat yes. Okay, I'm just joking. Okay, guys, never sell your Bitcoins. Okay, should you sell your Bitcoin now? No, guys, you shouldn't. Okay, I was just joking. Okay, when I said yes. Okay, no. Never sell your Bitcoins, guys. Like, never, ever, ever sell your Bitcoins. And in this video, I want to explain why. Okay, so, guys, listen real carefully, okay? Especially if you guys hold Bitcoin, if you guys are panicking, if you guys are, in a way, slightly getting bearish with Bitcoin, you know what I mean? Because I feel like a lot of people out there are slightly getting bearish with Bitcoin, not even just Bitcoin, like crypto in general. I want you guys to watch this full video because this video is going to be really important right now, okay? Because obviously right now, a lot of people are in fact panicking. And of course, the market as of right now, okay, is in fear mode. It's extremely fearful, okay? So please watch this video, guys. So please give this video a huge thumbs up. And of course, subscribe to the channel if you guys have not yet already. And let's get started with this video. So, yes, guys, I mean it, okay? You should never sell your Bitcoins, okay? Should you sell right now? No, right? Should you sell your Bitcoins at all? No, okay? And here's why. We all know that Bitcoin is really scarce. It's really limited, okay? Bitcoin has a supply limit of 21 million Bitcoins. Only 21 million Bitcoins can ever exist, no more, no less. We all know that, okay? And obviously not everyone in the world can own a Bitcoin. There's almost 8 billion people that live on Earth, right? 7.7 billion people as of right now, okay, live on Earth, and not all of them can own a Bitcoin. We all know that. It's simple maths, okay? Not even all the millionaires can own a Bitcoin, right? There's estimated to be about 56 million people that are millionaires. Not even all of them can own a Bitcoin. Okay, so this makes Bitcoin really, really, really scarce, right? Really limited. So this is why for the past few months, guys, I've been begging you guys, like literally begging you guys and telling you guys to at least accumulate one full Bitcoin, because this one full Bitcoin can change your life dramatically. Okay, it really can, right? Like, you're gonna have financial freedom with this one Bitcoin eventually. Like, if you simply just buy one full Bitcoin right now and you simply just hold that Bitcoin for decades, okay, more than 10 years time, because in 2030 I really do believe Bitcoin is going to reach $1 million. But then in 2035, 2040, Bitcoin's going to be reaching millions of dollars, not just a million, like multiple millions of dollars per Bitcoin, okay, in the future. So this is why for the past few months, guys, I've been telling you guys to at least accumulate and own one full Bitcoin, okay? If you want to be rich, if you want to have some type of wealth in life, right, and if you want to have some type of freedom in life, financial freedom, just get one Bitcoin, okay? And this is not no financial advice. You guys should obviously do your own research, okay? Because personally, guys, in the future, I know where Bitcoin is heading. Like, if you really think about it, there's only 21 million Bitcoins. Matter of fact, there's less than that, okay? There's estimated to be about 17, even 16 million Bitcoins to exist, because, guys, there's, over like 4 million Bitcoins that are lost forever. You know what I mean? It's just lost. Maybe someone bought Bitcoin in its early stages, you know what I mean, in its early years, maybe in 2010, 2011, right? Maybe someone bought, tens and thousands of Bitcoins and they put it into a cold wallet or a hard wallet and they don't have access to anymore because maybe they forgot their password. You know what I mean? That's just an example right there. So this estimated to be about 4 million Bitcoins that are gone forever. Okay, it's like lost. We don't have no idea where it is, right? And people don't have access to it. Okay, so that's that, right? So it makes Bitcoin more scarce, guys. This is estimated to be about 17 million Bitcoins to exist. Probably lower than that now. Okay, so that's that, right? So guys, Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency. Okay, it's different compared to other altcoins, right? There's Bitcoin and many other altcoins. Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, BNB, Avalanche, Chainlink, Cosmos Atom. You know what I mean? Phantom, right? Litecoin, Polygon, like all these other cryptocurrencies on the market, right? Bitcoin is different, guys. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency that I really do believe that you should never sell, guys. Okay, like at all. Okay, and a lot of people right now, want to sell the Bitcoins because they're slightly, becoming more bearish because we are in fact in the bear market, and everyone else, right? The 90% of people that are invested into cryptocurrency are in fact panic selling, and this is what's making this market pretty much have dips. You know what I mean? Because everyone's just extremely fearful, and everyone's just selling the positions and just getting out of the market, right? Like, guys, for Bitcoin, you should never sell your Bitcoins at all. Okay, like at all, right? Always think long term with your investments into Bitcoin. Same with Ethereum. You guys know this, right? If you guys have been watching my videos, you guys would know that I'm always thinking long term with my investments into Bitcoin and Ethereum. Always. Okay, and these two cryptocurrencies, right, Bitcoin and Ethereum, are literally my main two investments. These are the only cryptocurrencies that I mainly focus on buying, on investing, on accumulating. I do invest into other altcoins on the market, of course, Avalanche, Solana, Cardano, XRP, you know what I mean, even Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, you know what I mean, the meme coins, right? Polygon and all that, you know what I mean, and many more altcoins, right? But my main two investments into cryptocurrency is in fact Bitcoin and Ethereum, because these two coins, right, will do absolutely amazing long term. They're great investments for long term, guys. Okay, please understand this, right? So, guys, a lot of people right now think Bitcoin will dip even more. Same with the whole crypto market. It's to be expected we will in fact have another crash, and I totally agree. You guys know this, right? If you guys have been watching my videos for the past few days, even few weeks, you guys would know that I've been giving you guys heads up about Bitcoin having another crash, and of course the whole crypto market. Okay, it's to be expected to have another crash. Okay, because we are in fact in the bear market, and anything can really happen. Okay, legit, right? So yes, guys, Bitcoin, there is potential that it could dip even more. Okay, but hey, personally, guys, right, if Bitcoin dips even more, that makes me more bullish. I've been telling you guys this. Okay, it really does, right? It's just when it dips, guys, it just makes me more bullish because I see that as an opportunity to buy more Bitcoin, to accumulate more at a cheaper price. Okay, because I know for a fact long term Bitcoin will always bounce back up, guys. Okay, it will always bounce back up. Right now, yes, we are in fact in the bear market, and eventually, guys, maybe a few months time or in a few years time even, right, we will for a fact break out of the bear market and bounce back up to the bull market. It's all about patience here, guys. This market is really volatile. We all know this. It's all about patience. Trust me. I've seen this many times. You know what I mean? With investors, you know what I mean, getting out, selling their positions. They think Bitcoin is going to drop even more, but then eventually they just had to wait, a couple of weeks more, and then Bitcoin bounced back up. You know what I mean? So just think about it, guys. Okay. Yes, guys, Bitcoin right now is currently at like $40,000, over $40,000 here in Australia. Okay, because I do in fact live in Australia. Okay, so AUD currency. Right, Bitcoin is in fact at $40,000, and people think, right, like Bitcoin will dip even more. Yes, I totally agree. That's going to happen. Okay, could happen. Could drop to like $35,000 or even $30,000, even $28,000, and I could be that. Like personally, I could see that being the bottom for Bitcoin. Right, I don't think it's gonna drop significantly. Right, for the next crash. Okay, but once Bitcoin has this, have another crash, I really do believe it's not going to crash that much. It's just going to bounce back up. You know what I mean? It's going to break out, right? But guys, this is the thing here, okay? No one realistically really knows where Bitcoin will be heading in the future. You know what I mean? Like ever since last November in 2021, when Bitcoin reached a new all-time high, no one knew that Bitcoin would have this another dip. You know what I mean? Have this massive dip for the past few months. You know what I mean? Like pretty much, okay? Because at one point, back last November, Bitcoin was at over $90,000, and now currently it's at $40,000. So Bitcoin has dropped a lot, and no one expected this to happen, right? So everyone is just making, assumptions and of course predictions. You know what I mean? So no one really realistically really knows where Bitcoin will be heading, a week from now, a month from now, a year from now, a couple years from now, you know what I mean? Okay. But we know for a fact in decades time, in 10 years time, long period of time, Bitcoin is always shooting up. Okay, like look at the Bitcoin chart, guys. If you guys think I'm lying, look at the Bitcoin chart yourself. Like zoom out, okay, of the Bitcoin chart, and you will see that Bitcoin is always shooting up. It's on a volatile trend, but it's always shooting up. Okay, so that's Bitcoin for you. Okay, and this is why I always tell you guys to invest into Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a hedge against inflation. Okay, it really is, right? If you want to stay away from inflation, put your money into Bitcoin. Inflation is rising like crazy. Okay, it really is, and not a lot of people realize this. So no, guys. Okay, you should never sell your Bitcoin at all. Always think long term with your investments into Bitcoin. A lot of people, sell their positions, and they just panic sell most of the time, right? And all they had to do was wait patiently for a few days time, right? Or in a week time, or a few weeks time, or even a few months time, and then we'll see a breakout. Okay, Bitcoin will in fact bounce back up. You know what I mean? All they had to do was just wait patiently. Guys, this is the thing. If you're down, right, in crypto, right, with your investments, okay, in cryptocurrency, like if you're down, right, if you sell, then that is when you will lose money. Okay, it's really simple here, you know what I mean? But if you're still holding your positions, okay, you're down, like let's just say you invested $10,000 and you're down, I don't know, $6,000. Okay, so you have $4,000 with your investments into Bitcoin. You invested 10, now it's worth 4. So you lost 6. Technically you're down. But if you sell, guys, right? If you panic sell at a loss, then yes, you lost money. But if you're still holding onto your positions, okay, because Bitcoin will bounce back up. Okay, if you just hold and you wait patiently in a couple weeks time or even a few months time, okay, you will be back up, and you will be back up probably even more. That $10,000 investment will probably turn into $15,000. I'm being dead ass, guys. I've seen this plenty of times. Okay, and obviously a lot of people nowadays, when they see Bitcoin crashing, Ethereum crashing, and the whole crypto market crashing, right? They like to panic sell. They like to press that sell button for some odd reason. Okay, and when everything's gone back up, okay, when Bitcoin is bouncing back up, when the whole crypto market is looking great, it's in the greens, you know what I mean? It's looking really bullish. They like to FOMO back in. They like to buy when it's going up. Okay, it's the complete opposite. Obviously, when it's dipping, when it's crashing, when we're in the reds, that is when you want to buy. Okay, that is when you want to accumulate, right? And when it's going back up, if you want to take profits, that is when you want to sell and take profits, make that money. You know what I mean? But a lot of people like to do the complete opposite for some reason. I don't know why. Okay, so guys, to end this video, should you sell your Bitcoin? No. Okay, if you want to sell your Bitcoin right now, no. Okay, that's my answer, right? Bitcoin, guys, yes, it will go down even more. It's to be expected. Okay, but like I said, even if it goes down even more, I'm gonna accumulate more. You know what I mean? I really am. No one realistically really knows where Bitcoin will be in a week time, or in a month time, or in a few months time. You know what I mean? So this is why I never sell my Bitcoins ever, right? So you guys do you, okay? But that's just my own personal opinion. I am never going to sell my Bitcoins at all, guys, because I know how limited Bitcoin is. And if I'm gonna sell my Bitcoins, I'm gonna be selling my Bitcoin to someone that's smarter than me, someone that's gonna buy my Bitcoin, right, on the market, and they're gonna hold it. Probably the whales, you know what I mean? So that's just that, right? So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. You guys heard me right here. Okay, that's my answer to the question, should you sell your Bitcoin right now? And my answer is a capital no. Okay, no. Never sell your Bitcoins. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this one here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give this video a huge thumbs up, and of course subscribe to the channel if you guys have not yet already. I really would appreciate that. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Have a blessed day, guys.